Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a new admin user to your Mailchimp account. This is particularly useful when you're working with a team and need to grant someone full access to manage your email campaigns and account settings. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're logging in with an account that already has admin privileges, as only admins can invite new admin users. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon or your name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account management. From the drop-down menu, click on Account and Billing. This section is where you'll find all the critical settings related to your account's configuration and user management. It's the hub for controlling who has access to your Mailchimp workspace. Once you're in the account dashboard, locate and click on Settings in the top navigation menu. When you click this, an expanded list of options will appear, giving you access to various configuration settings for your account. In the expanded settings menu, look for the option labeled Users and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the people who have access to your Mailchimp account, including their permission levels and roles. Now you'll see a button that says Invite a User. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your new admin user. This will open up a form where you can enter the details of the person you want to invite. In the email address field, type the email address of the person you want to add as an admin. Make sure this email is correct, as the invitation will be sent directly to this address. Next, click on the user level drop-down menu and select Admin from the available options. Choosing Admin grants this person full access to your Mailchimp account, including the ability to manage campaigns, audiences, billing, and other users. If you'd like to include a personal note with the invitation, you can add an optional message in the message field. This is entirely up to you and can help provide context for why they're being invited. Finally, click Send Invite to email the invitation to the new admin user. They'll receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and gain access to your Mailchimp account. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an admin invitation through Mailchimp, and once they accept, they'll have full administrative access to help you manage your email marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.